Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I shall try to teach transcription of sentences. The previous class I have taught you some rules of transcription. That means affirmative to negative. That means affirmative to negative. In previous class, you have to learn the rules of transformation, affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative negative, assertive to interrogative, exclamative to assertive. Assertive to exclamative or assertive to imperative sentence. You have already learned in previous class. Today I shall try to discuss about simple to complex sentence. You know that according to kinds of sentence are 5 kinds, but according to structure of sentence are 3 kinds: simple, compound, complex. Simple, compound, complex. Simple, compound, complex. You know that the simple, compound, complex. Today I shall discuss about the rules of simple to complex. I shall discuss the rules of simple to complex. You will be try to understand what I say. Rule 1. Present participle युक्त simple sentence के complex sentence we will try to turn into present participle in simple sentence. We turn to complex sentence. Structure rules simple to complex. Simple to complex to sentence. Present participle युक्त simple sentence के complex. Present participle. When you say in simple tense present participle means bar plus and युक्त. Bar plus and युक्त. As for example, closing the door. Example. Closing the door, I went I went to back. I went to back to work. In this sentence, clothing, present participle. When you see in simple sentence beginning present participle, this sentence will be turned into complex sentence. Before the complex sentence as when seen, sees as. This sentence turned into seen as or when. With the help of conjunction, you have to turn into simple to complex sentence. That means I closed the door. First sentence subject, second sentence subject must be. In this sentence, where you turn to complex sentence, beginning in the complex sentence, first when means in time, since or as because possess. When second sentence subject when I, present participle must be past tense according to the second part of the sentence. I went to the bank. So when I closed the door, I went to bank. I went to back to work. You know that when I closed the door, I went to back to the door. It is complex sentence. You must remember that in present participle, in simple sentence, clothing. When you say clothing, present participle, in this sentence turn into complex sentence. That means when means time. When the second subject I in this sentence and present participle past closed in the door, comma, second sentence I went to back to the work. I went to back to the work. You try to understand. Then another example, being tried. Being tried, he took rest. It is simple sentence. Being tried, he took rest. It is possessed as. Second sentence subject he. As he or since, as he was tried. He took rest. Being means was. Second sentence subject he. Before as or since he was tried, he took rest. In this way, you have to turn from simple to complex sentence. If you see the simple sentence beginning the present participle. Now, the rules of second. being যুক্ত সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সকে being simple sentence. Being the simple sentence. When you see being in the sentence, you will turn to the complex sentence. The structure will be since, at first since as when. Since as when plus subject plus second part A tense অনুযায়ী tense হবে মাঝে কমা plus second part. As for example, simple sentence, the water being very hot I could not drink, I could not drink it. The simple sentence beginning the being, the water being very hot. I could not drink it. I could not drink it. Complex sentence will be starting the complex sentence since or as. Since. As the water, since the water, being means was very hot. I could not drink. You know that the water being very hot, I could not drink it. Since or as before the subject and according tense being must be was very hot. Second sentence put comma and second sentence I could not drink it. I could not drink it. You know that another example of present being simple sentence के complex करा सकते हैं. Being the poor, being poor, Z. Being poor, not could not buy a cent. Before he could not buy a cent. It is simple sentence. You know that being complex sentence starting being four. They could not buy a cent. In this sentence, the second sentence subject being and being it must be them. It is past tense, so second sentence subject complete sentence. Was old. They was old. They was old. He could not. He could not buy a cent. You know that the simple sentence. This sentence starting complex sentence. The second sentence subject did. Before did. You as or when. As অথবা when. Did was for. Sorry. Did was for. Being must be was for. According to tense. He could not send. Was. Vibhag was, they was for, he could not buy a cent. Then, second rule. Two plus adjective. Two adjective plus 2. Overall adjective plus 2 যুক্ত সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সকে কমপ্লিট করতে হলে তোমাদের স্ট্রাকচারটি হবে সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব টু সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব ফোর স্থলে সো হবে সো এর স্থলে সো হবে প্লাস অ্যাডজেক্টিভ টু এর স্থলে দ্যাট ফার্স্ট সেন্টেন্স সাবজেক্ট টেন্স অনুযায়ী ক্যান নট কুড নট টু সারা বাকি অংশটুকু হবে নাও আই এম গিভিং দ্য এক্সাম্পল সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স she was so trusting. She was so trusting to speak loud. You know that she in this sentence subject plus verb plus who plus adjective. Who plus adjective plus 2. This sentence is a simple sentence. Now you turn it into complex sentence. You must remember that she was in complex sentence. She is subject was verb. Instead of to, so you know that to পরিবর্তে so হবে adjective first instead of to that and the first sentence subject she. It is explained that she could not. In present tense cannot, past tense could not. That he could not speak loud. In your সিম্পলকে যখন কমপ্লেক্স করবে, ইউ মাস্ট রিমেম্বার দ্যাট সাবজেক্ট উইল বি পুট, ভার্ব উইল বি পুট instead of to, so adjective trusting, instead of to preposition put that. Subject, passive subject must be put, she could not. In present cannot, past tense could not. She could not speak loud. She could not speak loudly. Another example, simple. The man is so poor to buy a shirt. It is simple sentence. You will try to complex sentence. The sentence is complex. The man is poor. That the man, instead of pronoun he cannot buy a shirt. It is very important rule. In your examination, when you see 2 plus adjective plus 2, this sentence must be complex sentence. Subject must be put and verb. Instead of 2 plus so. Or adjective. Instead of preposition that. And the subject demand pronoun he cannot buy a shirt. It is present tense, so he cannot buy a shirt. Rule. Now at rule 4. Rule 4. সিম্পল উদ্দেশ্যমূলক সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স কমপ্লিট করতে টু এর পরিবর্তে সো দ্যাট হবে, ক্যান, মে, কুড, মাইট হবে। যেমন হি ওয়েন্ট টু দ্য লাইব্রেরি, সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স। হি went to the library to read. You know that he went to the library. To infinitive to. This sentence, it is purpose. He went to the library. Why he go to the library? To read newspaper. In this sentence, it is called simple sentence. You will turn to complex sentence. You must remember. First sentence, complex sentence, subject must be put. Subject he. He went to the library. He went to the library. In this sentence, so that in this sentence only, instead of to, you will put so that. You went to the library. Instead of to, you must put so that. And the subject must be he. He, so that He went to the library so that he could read newspaper. So that he could newspaper. He could. It is past tense, so he could read news. He went to the library to read newspaper. It is simple sentence. You turn into complex sentence. He went to the library instead of to, so that, and the subject degree, and it is past tense. When he could not, he could read newspaper. He could read newspaper. That means we need to read. Another sentence. We need to read. It is simple sentence. Very complex sentence. We eat instead of food so that we may eat. Where you see the simple sentence, only preposition to মাধ্যমে যদি উদ্দেশ্য ব্যক্ত হয়, in that case তোর পরিবর্তে so that হবে, আর ব্যক্তি প্রথম ব্যক্তি সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স সাবজেক্ট সেখানে বলবে সরি হি উইল, মে অথবা ক্যান অথবা কুড অথবা মাইট অ্যাকর্ডিং টু টেন্স। অ্যাকর্ডিং টু টেন্স the modal verb will be can, could, may, might. Now I am discussing about rule 4(5). Rule 5. In spite of the simple sentence. In spite of simple sentence, when you see the incomplete sentence, in spite of. In spite of, when you see the word in spite of in simple sentence. In this sentence, in spite of, you must put though or although. Though or although instead of in spite of before the sentence. Incomplete sentence. Now, example. In spite of his being, in spite of the being poor, he is pious. He is pious. Complete sentence. At first, instead of despite, though. Though or although. Though or although. You can though or you can although. Though. First sentence subject. Subject. First sentence. Though he is poor. Though he is poor, comma, though he is poor, he is pious. He is pious. He is pious. Though he is poor, he is pious. It is complex sentence. Instead of though, instead of spite of though, before starting the though, instead of spite. When you complex sentence, in spite of, you put though before the complex sentence. The second sentence subject he in this. According to tense, Being means is and poor. Second sentence, he is pious. Though he is poor, he is pious. Rule says rule says because the simple sentence when you see in simple sentence because of when you find you must use since as and subject. Second tense is subject must be put according tense and verb. Remaining part and comma and second clause must be put. As for example, simple. Because of this, being tired, he could not you know see because first because of you must put instead of because since or as you must put since or as because of his being poor being tired because of his being tired he could not work fast. In complete sentence, as that means second sentence subject in possessive form subject as he was tired. As he was lost, he could not walk fast. You must remember because of instead of because you must put as. And the second subject must be put according to tense was and tired. Then second part he could not walk fast. In this way you can turn from simple to complex sentence. Rule 7. Subject plus verb, object plus present participle. Subject plus verb, object এবং verb present participle যুক্ত simple sentence কে we will turn to complex sentence. You must remember the rules of according to structure of rules of at first subject verb object after object relative pronoun who is according tense relative pronoun verb present participle बाकी only remaining the second part. I saw a bird flying. Simple sentence example. I saw a bird. I saw a bird flying. I saw a bird flying in the sky. I subject was verb, a verb object, and present participle flying. You know that subject I, verb was, object a verb, flying means present participle. This is complex sentence. You will turn to complex sentence. You will turn to complex sentence. I saw a bird. I saw a bird. Sorry. Oh. I saw a bird. I saw a bird flying in the sky. I saw a bird flying in the sky. I subject saw verb a bird object flying present participle. In complex sentence subject I saw a bird. I saw a bird. Before present participle, you must who is relative pronoun who is. I saw a bird who is. I saw a bird who is. Was. Who is was. Who is was flying in the sky. Who is was flying in the sky. Simple sentence, I saw a bird, it is already I saw a bird. Before present participle, you must relative pronoun who is, who, what, etc. According to tense, in relative pronoun, past tense, so I saw a bird who is flying in the sky. I saw a bird who was flying in the sky. In this way, you may turn from simple to complex sentence. Then rules 8. Subject, verb, adjective plus noun to simple sentence complex. Subject, verb plus adjective plus noun to simple sentence. When you see subject, verb, adjective plus noun in simple sentence, I saw a lemon. I saw a lamb. I saw a lamb. I subject, verb saw, a lamb, adjective, man, noun. Man, noun. It is simple sentence. I saw a lamb. This sentence will be turned into complex sentence. This sentence will be turned into complex sentence. I saw a man. I saw a man. Who? I saw a man who was lame. I saw a man who was lame. Who was lame. Relative pronoun who. Who was lame. In this way, you will turn from simple to complex. When you saw subject, verb, adjective plus noun, that means I saw a lame man. This sentence turned into complex sentence. I saw a man. I saw a man. And relative pronoun who. It is personal pronoun who. According to tense, he who and who will have was. I saw a man who was lame. I saw a man who was lame. Then another rules 9. In simple sentences, whenever you denote the adjective is subjectively qualified correct, when you see in simple sentence, adjective when you qualify, adjective when you qualified the subject, qualified the subject, the below the rule. First example. Health is well. In this sentence, health is well. Well, adjective. Health noun. Health indicate the well indicate the health. So it is complex specific sentence. When you complete before the complex sentence it. It is health. It is health. Who is this? Who is this? Well. Who is well. It is health. Well indicate health. It is health. Who is this well? In this way, you will turn from simple to complex sentence. Another rules. Rules 9. 9 or 10. By plus grant without plus grant. By plus grant. When you see by plus grant in simple sentence, that means by reading attentively, you can pass the exam. It is simple. By plus grant. By plus reading plus grant. So it is simple sentence turn into complex. By reading attentively you can pass the exam. When you by plus grant you put the subject you. You read attentively. You read exam. By reading attentively, you can positively about the sentence. Without plus that, without reading attentively, you cannot pass the examination. It is negative. That means without reading attentively, you cannot pass the exam. It is simple sentence. When you turn into complex, you do not read attentively. You cannot pass the exam. You know that by plus rand, without plus rand, you can turn into from simple to complex sentence. Why you without plus rand, must you, it is do not read. You must put do not read. Attentively, second sentence, you cannot pass the exam. How, my dear student, you will try to understand what I said. Now I am giving to homework. You will try to write the homework at home. Then when the school open, you must be seen to me. The man was so foolish to understand the reality. He came from getting from abroad. He started a business. Without moving, you will die. In spite of his having economy, economic problems, he continued his studies. The boy met the headmaster to get a stipend. from the board. My dear student, write the homework and try to write the answer. I hope you will be stay at home on account of coronavirus, and I wish to your high success. God bless you.